Today, we have something special for our viewers with diabetes, delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes tailored just for you. Let's dive in. 1. Recipe 1. Quinoa Breakfast Bowl. Start your day with a power-packed quinoa breakfast bowl. Cooked quinoa, topped with fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey, it's a wholesome and low-glycemic option. 2. Recipe 2. Egg and Vegetable Omelette. Next up, a quick and easy egg and vegetable omelette. Packed with protein and fiber, it's a satisfying option. Use colorful veggies like bell peppers and spinach for added nutrients. 3. Recipe 3. Greek Yogurt Parfait. For a refreshing choice, try the Greek Yogurt Parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a touch of cinnamon. It's a delightful combination of flavors. 4. Recipe 4. Avocado toast with whole grain bread. Avocado toast is always a hit. Spread ripe avocado on whole grain bread and top it with cherry tomatoes. The healthy fats in avocados make it a great choice for stable blood sugar levels. Conclusion. There you have it, for delicious and diabetes-friendly breakfast recipes. Remember, it's essential to monitor portion sizes and consult with your healthcare provider. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a